Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and WhatsApp is up to date. This prevents missing features. Once done, open the Chats tab and scan for the chat you need pinned. You don't need settings menus. Instead, use a rightward swipe gesture on that chat to reveal quick actions. This is the first actionable step because pinning is handled directly from the chat list, and performing the swipe correctly brings the pin control into view immediately. Now pin the chat by tapping the pin icon that appears. This locks it to the top of your chats list. Because iPhone shows pinned conversations above all others, you'll see a small pin indicator confirming the action. If you need to pin multiple chats, repeat the swipe and tap process for each one, remembering iPhone limits the number to 3. Doing this keeps important conversations visible. If you ever need to reorder, unpin and repin in the desired sequence to control position. To finish, unpin a chat by swiping right again and choosing Unpin, or long press the chat and select Unpin from the menu. That restores chronological order. If you don't see the pin option, make sure WhatsApp and iOS are updated, then force close and reopen the app. This resolves most glitches. If pinning still fails, back up your chats to iCloud, reinstall WhatsApp, and restore the backup. That often clears persistent issues while keeping your messages intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.